Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about the aggressive harvesting, VRP harvesting model. This is a direct continuation of the previous part. We are going to continue the same concept, same entry, same SL, everything same. Only one small change is there. So I highly recommend that if you have not yet watched the previous part, you watch that part and come back here. Standard disclaimer again, I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. Whatever strategies I'm discussing here, these are my own personal side strategies. I am only sharing it here for educational purposes so that you can learn. The PTM indicator itself will not make you profitable. You have to make your own strategies, follow your own discipline. This indicator does not give you any entry, SL, exit. You have to make them on your own. So in this strategy, which is the aggressive VRP harvesting model, it is almost the exact same. Let me tell you how is it the same. Your entry time, your entry parameters, everything will be the same. So we are using the safe VRP harvesting model, and on top of that we are adding some extra lots. So for example, if I am using a 5 lakh capital for my VRP harvesting safe model, what I'm going to do is I have what deployed 3.5 to 4 lakh for taking the position. I am following all the rules as it is in the previous part which I've discussed. Now I want to add some more position over it. So this 5 lakh, in which it is 3.5 to 4 deployed and spare capital, I am not touching that spare capital. I have to bring in additional capital if I want to use your aggressive model. That is my rule, and there are reasons for that, for safeguard and recouping capital in case there's any loss, how to build back your capital. All that is already baked in this money management. All right, so how much additional capital do I want? If I'm using 3.5 or 4 lakh, I need half, because whatever lot size I'm using for my safe harvesting VRP harvesting model, I'm going to use half extra. So for example, if I'm using 6 or 7 or let's say 8 lots for safe harvesting, safe VRP harvesting model, then I am adding 4 lots more for my aggressive. That's all. That is the only difference. And how do you do SL management? VRP, that pivot range shifting, everything is the same. Only one condition where I can trigger aggressive model, like I told you, this we need extra capital for aggressive. 5 lakh is completely locked. I'm not touching that. Extra capital if I want to use aggressive model. All right. So I'll just take this example here. It's a very clear example. I'll tell you the condition required. Here, if you see that this is one expiry, current expiry. Let's assume this is the current expiry. Right, this is the current expiry. This date you can go and backtest is around 28th of October 25. This is a very good example. That is why I'm taking this. Here what has happened is, on the last 15 minutes, as per the same exact rules, last 15 minutes, what do? Last 15 minutes, I go and trigger your strategy. This is my entry time, last 15 minutes. Before that, I have to do what? Check the VIX. If the VIX is satisfied, very good. And then here I have to check what is the latest big bull or big bear signal. You can see the signal is not available, the label is not available, but only the color candle is there. So what I have to do is I just have to adjust my replay once. Let me select the bar. I'll just adjust my replay button here, right? So you can see that over here that I have to mark my pivot range. So let me just do that. I'm marking my pivot range. Let me do one thing even better. Let me go here. I'll show you. Okay, so now I'm planning my position for the next week, which is 4th of November. I am planning the expiry here. I am trying to use the aggressive model. Simple. Here, what I have to do, I have to mark the pivot range. I have done it last 15 minutes, and I am going to trigger my position. What position should I take here? This is the bear signal, and price is trading above it. Correct. So obviously, I have to trigger bullish. So price is above the pivot zone. So I have to trigger my bullish strategy. What is my bullish strategy? It's very simple. I am using a bull put spread. Correct? I'm using a bull put spread. Simple. So what I'll do here, I will build the strategy and I'll show you one by one what are the conditions for my aggressive model. Okay. If you see here, I have the same split screen which I showed you in the last video. Which part? This is a very good method of testing, back testing. It will show you very clearly, and both your option chain, your entire screen with the simulator, as well as your charts. So right now I have to go to what time frame? I have to go to 1 hour time frame on my chart. I have to select 28th of October. Let me just go back, 28th October, and here last 15 minutes. So 3:15, correct. I'm already there. I have to trigger a bullish signal. This is a bullish trade because your pivot range price is trading above it. Okay, this is a bear signal here, but price is trading above it. So if price is above the pivot range, automatically I have to trigger a bullish signal. This is, you have already learned that in the safe VRP harvesting model. So what are the rules? First, I have to select the correct. This is the expiry, 4th November. This is the current expiry which is going to get over now, 15 minutes. I have to select the next expiry. All right, let me do that, and I'll go one by one, step by step. We'll do it. Okay, so right now I am at 3:15. What I'm going to do, I'm applying the same method. My strike selection, I have to first see the option chain, the short position, short put. So I'm creating a bullish spread, credit spread, put spread. So my short leg should be below 20 rupees and my buy leg should be 10 rupees distance from my your premium distance. So for my short leg, so I'm using 18 rupees here, so at least 8 rupees. All right, so this is the same, exact same of the previous part. There's no changes here. Lot size, current margin, I'm using around 61,000. So my allowed approximately for safe VRP harvesting was 5 lakh capital, and I'm using around 3.5 to 4 lakh deploy. Okay, this is my, and 1 lakh spare. I'm not going to touch this 1 lakh. So here I'm going to increase my lot size so that it comes in my parameter. 3.1, 3.72, correct. It's within my range. Done. So I have used 6 lots here. Done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the chart and I'm going to increase, go to the next day. What happens? I have a bullish signal, no problem. This is a small bull signal, no issues here. I have this is the same as, exactly same as my safe your safe VRP harvesting model. Now what has happened is, you can see there is a new big bull signal. There is a new big bull signal. What time is this? This is candle is at 11:15, 1 hour chart. So 11:15 candle, 11:15 candle, it closes at 12:15. So I have to go to candle closing time. This is the next day, 12:15. Okay, let me just go there. Let me increase the time here. Next day I'm going to 12:15. Done. Now listen to this part very carefully. I have extra capital. I have already deployed my safe strategy. Pivot range I am changing, shifting as per the same rules. Pivot zone is shifted because I have a new signal. And now I am going to deploy aggressive VRP harvesting. How? What is the condition? The only condition is this: if I have a position already. So in this case, I already have bullish position. I don't need to re-enter. I don't need to re-enter longs. This as per safe model, VRP, I already have bullish position. So I just need to carry it on. That's all. No other changes. But now I am this strategy is finished. This is over. Okay, this is over. Now I want to add aggressive model. What is the condition? When I have a pivot zone, which is my big bull or big bear signal, when I have this, before that, just before that, if I have a same signal, same bull signal, so in this case bull, so I have a big bull, new signal, and before that, small signal is also bull. Okay, small signal before that, before this candle, before the pivot candle, if the small signal is also bull, then this condition is valid for aggressive VRP harvesting. Simple. This should be very simple, very simple, nothing complicated. I'll repeat it again, just listen to it. If I get a new signal, or even here, even during expiry day when I'm building the signal, okay, if I have a bull signal here, why did we not create bull signal? Because we had bear signal, and at the starting you have to check previous signal. Okay, we don't know, this is difference, there's a difference between bear signal and price is trading above it. Okay, we have a bear signal and price is trading above it. So in just simple terms, if you understand, expiry day first position should be normal safe VRP harvesting. During the week you can do aggressive. Simple as that. Okay, the reason why we are doing aggressive, I've already told you last time, is that we just want to increase our profit, that's all. Now we have a new pivot signal, bull signal, big bull, and just check before that if there is another small bull signal. This is the condition. This is the condition for, it does not have to be one candle gap, it does not have to be close by, it can be far away also, it can be far away. The previous, suppose there's a bull here and then there's a previous small bull, that is the entire condition. In that case you can trigger an aggressive model. So in aggressive model, like I told you how I follow safe first, safe VRP model. VRP model, like I told you, 5 lakh allotted, fixed, no changes in this. Now I am adding aggressive model, extra lots. So here I am using 6 lots. So here I will just add 3 more lots. I'll add exact same strategy, same strike price type selection. So at this point I'm at 12.15. What do I have to do? Strike price, how do I select? Same rule. I have to select 20 rupees and below. This is 19 rupees. This is a bull signal, so I'm triggering a bullish put spread. Same thing, exact same. So here I'll take, let's say 16 rupees I'll take. If I select 16 rupees for my short leg, my buy leg should be what? It should be 6 rupees at least. Let me see if 6 rupees is there. Yes, 6.5 I'll take. Done. So what is the lot size? It should be half. So if you see my positions at 12.15 at this candle close, I already have longs from safe mode, safe signal, safe harvesting. At this point I saw there's a new signal and I have added aggressive. This is the condition for aggressive, and I have added half size, half quantity. This is 6 lots, so I'm using 3 lots here. Half quantity I've added. Simple at this point, that's all. I am not creating safe signal again. I am creating aggressive extra lots. That's all. Now, same SL. What is the SL? Exit. What is the exit? Either target will hit or else pivot zone range will break. Simple. That's all. Same for aggressive also. It's the same. Safe is, you know how to do the safe part. Aggressive is the same as exit. How to exit, I've told you. Now, this is my rule. Now, what do I have to do? I just have to fast forward. I'll just fast forward. Okay, we can see that next day immediately there was a gap down and market broke the zone. So what we'll do, this is aggressive. Next day, Thursday, 9:15 candle. So 9:15 closes at what time? It closes at 10:15. So next day, 10:15, I have to go and check what is my profit and loss. Here you can see that next day, 10:15, Thursday, yes, correct. At 10:15, I have a net position profit of 600 rupees only. Net after this gap down, everything. But candle closed below my pivot zone. I have to do what? As per safe VRP harvesting, what is the rule? I have to exit old strategy and take new entry. Okay, take new entry of the opposite direction. Simple. This is as per safe. So that is what I'm going to do first. I have exited all the positions. All bull positions exited. as per safe, I have to follow the same rules. I have to take the bearish entry first. Okay, I have to take the bearish entry here. I have taken my 10 rupees difference, 20. I have to take bearish setup, means what is it? Bull, sorry, bear call spread. So this is the level below this. 20 rupees are there, 20 rupees below, less than 20 should be my sell leg. So I'm taking, let's say 17 rupees I have taken, sold, and then 7 rupees. So difference between sell leg and buy leg has to be 10 rupees difference, right? Lot size is 6 lots. This is the safe strategy. Safe strategy have completed. Okay, safe strategy I have changed, switched strategy, switching has completed, done. Now aggressive, do I have to do? What is the condition for aggressive? Aggressive entry taken, aggressive exited. That's all. There is no re-entry here. There is no re-entry. Clear? This has to be very clear. When the strategy shifts, there is no re-entry. That's all. That is the rule. And here, what I have to do, just forward it, because price is trading here. It is going forward. And this is Friday, next day. So market goes, small signal comes, no issues for me. I'm already in bearish position. Let me just fast forward till the next day, 10:15. Okay. Let me just go and check 10:15 a.m. So far right now you can see the profit I have is 3,718. All right. I have 10:15 of Friday, and I have what? A new bear, big bear signal. I have a new big bear signal. Okay. So what is the first step I have to do? I have to shift my pivot zone. Pivot zone shifted. Very good. Now I have to check whether I have already a bearish position. Yes, I already have a bearish position. So as per safe VRP harvesting, I have nothing to do here. Now, question, is there any possibility of doing aggressive VRP harvesting? Is there any possibility to do the aggressive setup? What do I have to do when there is a new big bear or big bull signal? I have to check whether there is a small bear. So in this case, this is a big bear. So I have to check whether there is a small bear immediately before that. Yes, there is a possibility. See, like I told you, it does not have to be the immediate next previous candle. It can be 5 candles, 10 candles, previous day also, does not matter. The previous signal should be a small bear signal. That is when both small bear and big bear have triggered at the same flow. Okay, in the same flow, it has been triggered. Then I can add extra lots for my aggressive setup. So what is the rule here for aggressive? Same strike selection, just timing here. I have to do the same bearish setup. My bearish leg, call bear spread. Here, less than 20 rupees, I have to select anything. Okay, let me do that. Let me take 18. I've shorted 18 here. And then I have to buy. So 18 rupees I've shorted. I have to buy approximately 10 rupees difference. Here in 9.8, let me take 7.4. Okay, how many lots in the aggressive? So my safe, as per the safe, I have taken 6 lots. You can see as per the aggressive, I am taking 3 lots. How much capital I have used here totally is 4.8. So for safe, I have used nearly 3.5 to 4. Extra 1 lakh is just pending, or extra whatever balance. I have not touched this. I have added extra margin. So question here is how much margin extra added. Let me just check and tell you. Extra margin added was 1.5. Okay, extra margin added was 1.5 lakh. So total capital I have used 5 plus 2.5. 2.5 for aggressive. If that condition is satisfied, inside this 2.5 I have used 1.5. Okay, so if I'm using 5 lakh for safe mode, I am using 2.5 for additional extra positions. So if I'm using 10 lakh capital for safe mode, then I can use anything below 5 lakhs, 5 or 5 and below. Okay, for aggressive, it has to be half. Aggressive has to be half of safe. It should be very clear. Okay, so let me just continue with this. Let's see what happens. We have up expiry day approaching, and market has stayed below your pivot. So let me just fast forward. You can focus on the profit here. Let's see how much profit we have made in this case. I'll just fast forward this 30 minutes, 5,200 nearly, 5,700, 6,700. Monday morning, we have one more day for expiry, 6,800, 7,000. Monday afternoon, and by Tuesday expiry day morning, we have approximately 7,200 profit. If you remember from the previous part, we were maximum where range was, profit range was what? Around 4,000, 4,000, 4,500. So what was the use of aggressive? What was the use of aggressive? We have increased the profit. That is all. That is the entire use of aggressive. There is no complicated maths behind this. Like I told you, all the strategies are extremely simple. There are some rules and we have followed the rules. That's all. All right. In the next video, guys, we will learn the monthly debit spread strategy. In the debit spread strategy, I'll teach you how do you capture your monthly directional moves. So for that, like I told you in the name itself, there is month directional. So you're expecting the market to be directional in the next month. That is why you're deploying it. I'll teach you all the rules. Like I said, all my strategies are extremely simple to understand. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.